Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import and edit a scanned drawing in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to drop an image copy onto your current setup session so you can trace clean lines right on top of your old paper sketches. Step 1. Drop your scanned picture file onto the map. The first step is to use the main attachment tool to bring your digital image file from your computer folders straight onto your dark drawing background canvas. Move your mouse pointer up to the top menu bar, click on the word Insert, look down the list to find the button that says Attach, select your picture file from your document window and click Open. Move your crosshair cursor out into the empty screen workspace, click once to drop the picture, drag your mouse to grow the box slightly, and click a second time to set it down. Because you cannot edit or trace a sketch if it only lives inside your regular computer desktop folders. You have to use this attachment brush so you can anchor the file directly into the software drawing sheet rows. Without this step, your screen will stay empty and you won't have any background shapes to follow. Step 2. Change the picture fade to see your new lines clearly. Next, you need to soften the brightness of your imported picture so that the dark black lines you draw on top won't blend into the old background view. Click your mouse pointer directly on the outer edge frame line of your new picture, look up at the top option row that pops open, find the slide bar labeled Fade and pull it to the middle mark. Watch the image background on your monitor drop its intensity and turn slightly light gray, making it look faint flat against your workspace canvas. Because if your background sketch stays too bright and colorful, your eyes will get strained trying to pick out your new brush paths from the old messy lines. Turning down the brightness acts as a clear visual guide that keeps your active layout work separated from the old paper photocopy template. It ensures your drawing tracking stays simple and straight. Now you need to use a key matching tool to stretch or shrink your background picture so that its printed lengths line up perfectly with a real tape measure. Draw a fresh standard line next to a known size row on your image. Select both your picture and the new line, type the word Align into your bottom bar, click the start and end spots of your image size line, click the matching spots on your fresh line, and press Enter twice. Because when you first load a scanned document into the file memory card, the computer has no idea how big the paper was in real life. By anchoring two known dimension points to a standard line, you tell the system's engine to resize the entire image database accurately. It is the key step to getting the right output because it fixes your map layout proportions before you spend hours tracing. And that's it. To import and edit a scanned drawing in AutoCAD, you must first use the Attach button under the Insert tab to drop your file onto your drawing canvas. Then you click the border line and turn up the Fade slider to make the background template faint and light gray. Next, you use the Align tool and click your scale points to change the picture size to match real-world numbers perfectly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.